Welcome to Money Matters. We are a resource for anyone who craves greater financial freedom. Our goal is to give you the best tools, advice, and up-to-date information so that you can live your best life. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for up-to-date information. Alright, if you are here because you need to make $1,000 fast today, we have got you covered. Life happens. Maybe you need to quickly pay off your rent, pay off a credit card, repair your car, pay your household bills, go on a vacation to de-stress, or simply deal with an emergency. In fact, it is estimated that a large portion of Americans are unable to afford a $1,000 or more emergency expense. So, if you're looking to make a change today, start with these 5 side hustle ideas. Number 1. Earn cash by participating in market research. Believe it or not, but companies and businesses are willing to pay you for your opinions in order to improve their products, increase their sales, and expand their market share. Some of the companies worth checking out are Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, or I Say US. Number 2. Use cashback apps. You can reach your $1,000 target by keeping some of the money you already spend. The best cashback apps can give you up to 35% in cashback when you make a purchase. And the best part is that it's money back on things you've purchased already. Try Drop App or Top Cashback to get started. Number 3. Do freelance work online. Companies and individuals are willing to pay you to complete simple tasks. The job you take on may be related to your current skills, or in some case, may require no expertise. People will pay someone to record a voiceover, design a logo, write an article, edit a resume, edit a video, and so much more. Try sites such as Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork. Number 4. Deliver groceries with Instacart and make money. Monetize your spare time and earn cash by delivering groceries on your schedule. This is an easy and flexible way to earn some extra cash. Work as an in-store shopper or go a step further as a full-service shopper and not only shop but also deliver the order. Number 5. Rent your car on TURO or drive for Uber or LYFT. Rent out your car on TURO and let it start earning for you. TURO is the ultimate site for monetizing your car when you are not using it. If you have access to a vehicle and don't mind people, you can sign up with LYFT or Uber to drive people around during your free time. That's all for today's video. Comment below with your thoughts and let us know if we missed anything. If you are new here, welcome. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, money matters.